This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Audi A7 gas tank. First, ensure your vehicle is fully unlocked. The fuel door is usually on the driver's side, near the rear wheel. Simply press the rear edge of the fuel door firmly. You should hear a small click as the door unlatches, allowing you to open it and access the fuel cap. This is the standard and most common method. If the electronic release doesn't work, there's a manual override. Open your trunk and look on the right-hand side, behind the trim panel. You'll find a small fabric loop or a plastic lever. Gently pull this loop or lever with a steady motion. This action mechanically releases the fuel door, allowing you to open it from the outside. It's a handy backup. Sometimes, the fuel door might not open due to minor issues. First, double-check that your car's central locking system is completely disengaged. Also, inspect the fuel door area for any dirt, ice, or debris that could be blocking the mechanism. A common culprit is a small obstruction preventing the door from popping open. Clear any blockages carefully. If you've tried these steps and the fuel door still won't open, it might be time to seek professional assistance. A certified Audi technician can diagnose and repair issues like a faulty actuator or damaged wiring. Regular maintenance, such as keeping the area clean and ensuring the hinge is lubricated, can prevent future problems and ensure smooth operation for years to come.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.